Rahman Rahim. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Javed Ahmad. I am from level 5 class and from green category. So today is the day which is assigned to us to make scientific model. So my selected model is about solar panel system. Solar panel is a device that take energy from sun and then that produce electricity. So dear viewers, we all knows that we need to electricity, and nowadays without electricity life is very strong and difficult, because more than 50% things are run by DC electrical energy. So like pen, car and bulb, and the most thing is water bill, and water is the biggest and good for us. So the second good benefit of solar panel is that these devices are not disturbing our atmosphere. Some machines are there, they are releasing different gases which are very dangerous for our human body and for plant and for our atmosphere, and they are not releasing gases. So solar panel is made of 6 main components. The first one is anodized aluminum frame. This is the frame of solar panel system, and that protect highly transparent tempered glass and solar panel cells. The second one is highly transparent tempered glass. They are protecting in this cells from weather. And photovoltaic solar cells, they are doing the main work. They are directly change sunlight into DC electrical energy. Insulation back sheet, they have white rung, and that is the back sheet, and they are not releasing the sun rays. When they put on this sheet, they are not releasing these rays to fall down. The last one is junction box. They are the connector, and which have 2 wires. One is black and one is red. The red one is positive wire, and the black one is negative wire. So thanks for listening my topic.